Right, in this video we are going to look at one 3D trigonometry calculation. Let's get a highlighter ready and let's start reading. AC represents a vertical tower which is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. As you can see, there's a 90 degrees. BCD at C. AB is 2 units. It has been given as 2 units. Alright, there's your 2. BCD is 90 minus x. BDC is 2x. And BAC is x. Show that BD is equal to 1 unit. So we need to go and calculate BD and prove it being 1 unit. Right, now if you look at this little triangle here at the bottom, you can see we have quite a bit of information from it. Okay, there's no 90 degree in it though, so we just might be able to use the sine rule there. Let's attempt. Alright, we want BD. So let's start off with BD. So BD, I'm going to continue to the next page. BD over sine 90 minus x is equal to BC over sine 2x. Let's go and check. BD and the angle 90 minus x is equal to BC minus 2x. There's BC and there's the sine 2x. Alright, so let's go and take everything else to the other side and let's go and leave BD on the one side. Okay, so we have BC, but sine 90 minus x, guys, changes to cos x. Remember, sine 90 minus changes to cos. Please make a note. So we have, instead of sine 90 minus x, we have cos x. Right, and there at the bottom, we have sine 2x. Now remember, in one of the previous videos, we said that sine 2x, one of the double angles, can only change to 2 sine x cos x. Well, that's not bad. We've simplified quite a bit. Let's see if we can cancel out some of the stuff. So we can cancel out the cos's. There you go. We are left with BD is equal to BC over 2 sine x. That's it. All right, but we still do not have 1 as yet. So let's see if we can get a value for BC and then substitute it into there. We just might be able to get 1. All right, BC. BC is part of this little triangle there at the top. Okay, so BC is part of a right angled triangle. So using our angle here, which is x, we can say BC over 2, and that is equal to sine x. In other words, opposite over adjacent is equal to sine x. So BC over 2 is equal to sine x. BC over 2 is equal to sine x. We want BC alone. So BC is 2 sine x. We multiply with the 2 on both sides. And on the right hand, we now have 2 sine x. Now let's go back to where we had BC. Now we can substitute that with 2 sine x. And guess what? 2 sine x over 2 sine x, you've got it, is equal to 1. And what did the question say? show that BD is equal to 1 unit.